What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So I just took the biggest accident nap of all time, and I have to get ready for an event that I am going to tonight. So I thought I would just sit down and have you guys speedy quickly get ready with me. Ignore this hair, it is all clipped back on top of my head. But I really wanted to show you guys what I do when I want a very sheer foundation coverage, nothing that is like crazy over the top. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Becca Backlight priming filter to prime my face. It is Friday and I am so excited that it's Friday. It's been one of those weeks that to me has just felt like it has dragged on. I just want to show you guys how to do some foundation that it looks more natural and looks more luminous on the skin and not super heavy on the skin. If I want more of a luminous finish for my foundation, I do a couple different things. Sometimes I will add a little strobe cream into my foundation. Sometimes I will use some luminizing drops in the foundation. I got this new Morphe brush that I'm really excited to try out for foundation. This is the Morphe G1 brush. I've been more into using small brushes on my face, so I'm going to take the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the shade 205, and it's already dripping out of my hand, so that's nice. And then I'm going to take some of my MAC strobe cream, which is just a little travel bottle, and I'm going to plop some on there as well. I'm going to use the back of a brush handle to just kind of mix that together, you know. This is already a luminous foundation, hence Pro Glow, but it's okay. We're just going to work with it. Let me zoom you guys in a little. Not lose my camera in the process. So what I'm going to do is start working the foundation from the middle of my face out. So obviously on the nose. So this is just really going to give us more of a dewier look rather than anything really heavy and full coverage. So as you can tell, you kind of get that little bit of luminous light that still hits your face from the foundation. We are going to take our Makeup Revolution concealer. We're just going to place this right under the eyes because I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'm not going to take up too much time. And this look is going to be a little different than what you guys are used to. You will see why, but we're just going to plug right along. I'm picking up the Morphe E8 brush, and I sprayed it with a little bit of Fix Plus, and then we are just going to go in and make sure this concealer is all blended out. These are the days where having eyelash extensions are so easy because now I worked longer than I had expected and I'm in a hurry and I don't have to worry about messing with my mascara or anything. This look is definitely inspired by different kind of makeup techniques today, so we will see. We're going to pick up this W7 Makeup and Glow Bronzing Base. It looks like this in there. It's like a cream bronzer. Let me go ahead and dampen my beauty sponge. I do not know why I feel so tired today, but I feel exhausted. So I am going to take the butt end of my beauty sponge and dip it in this. This bronzer looks like it has some shimmer in it. I haven't used this bronzer in such a long time, so we will see how it goes. I was inspired to do this summer glowy kind of makeup today without any powder. I strictly just wanted to focus on more cream products. We're also not going to set our makeup with any powder today. So this is something very, very, very different and kind of out of my comfort zone because I am the type of person that really likes to powder my face, especially my under eyes. I don't know how people don't do it. I feel like this isn't coming up very well, but enough. Focus this around my hairline where I normally would. A little bit down the sides of my jawline where those shadows hit. And then I am going to take the Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. This actually came in a BoxyCharm and I have not tried it yet. It looks like a very, very beautiful shade. So I'm going to go in this time with the front part of my beauty sponge. Pick up a little bit on top, like so, and then focus this right here. And kind of up around the brow bone. So far, so good. I did what I typically don't like doing and brought it down the bridge of my nose. So you'll definitely see the glow there. And then I'm blending it out a tiny bit. I got some glow going on up above my brow bone and I don't even know what that's about. Moving on to blush, I am going to be using the LA QA & Co. Blush Highlighter. I've never used this product before. It was sent to me and it looks like this. So, taking my beauty sponge again, dipping in the product, and we're going to focus this right on the apple of our cheeks. I don't know, I think this look is just something so different for me because I don't hate it, I don't know. It has to be that it's different for me because I just personally do not feel like I get the same amount of coverage as I usually do with powders. Maybe I'm crazy because I do like the look of it. I mean, the skin looks really natural and just kind of looks sun-kissed. It doesn't look like I've packed on the makeup. It does give you more of a natural look. I don't know. I think I'll feel one way or the other as I wear it throughout the day. You know what I'm saying? So we are going to go ahead and pop some of the this is the Mega Slim Skinny Mascara from Wet n Wild on our bottom lashes. I love this mascara. And I am that girl that gets really creasy on my under eye. I can already tell that my concealer is starting to crease under there, so that's not cool. Cute. I did that on purpose. Maybe that's going to be like a new trend, you know? Just put a dot under your eye. That came off pretty easily at least. But I'm going to try to bring you guys close up. You can see I have super fine lines underneath my eyes, so my concealer is definitely already starting to sit in those. This is why I absolutely love setting my under eye. So I am going to take some of my Charlotte Tilbury powder and set up under those eyes. We're just going to set that area because the more I crease, the more crazy that will drive me all night long. Should have done that before I put mascara on, but you know. Okay, hopefully that is a little bit better. I'm going to pop on this Bare Minerals matte liquid lipstick in the shade Wink. Oh, these smell heavenly. They smell like chocolate souffle. I don't know if it's just me or if this pink looks way more nude than normal. I'm not complaining. I love me some nudes, but wow. I am going to be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. So yeah, that is it, you guys. This was just a full quick face of all cream products for summer. Definitely a really good summer option. Definitely a really good summer option if you don't want to use all those heavy powders and heavy foundations. What I like about this look is that it doesn't even feel like there's much on my face. I don't feel like my face is so heavy from so much foundation and then concealer and then powder on top of powder on top of powder. It just feels really nice and really natural and gives a kind of really natural look. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.